Hey guys, what's up? It's my first video for my phone, and it's StevenTube here, and today we got a special package in the delivery box. It's a new LEGO Dimensions fan-made pack for our YouTube channel, StevenTube. So it's a mystery pack. So, let's unbox it. Here. Oh my gosh, look at that. Whoa. Okay, so I'm gonna have to build this. Wait a minute, this is me! And my girlfriend Caroline. Wow, and we have like our little phones. So, first we're gonna build myself. I'm gonna snap the base on. Then we're gonna put the light. So this is my first mystery star. This is my first LEGO Dimensions mystery video unboxing. It's like so cool because like you have all these characters, Scooby-Doo and Teen Titans Go and DC Comics and Back to the Future. That's what my father likes. But now I think the guys from YouTube gave us these little things you can put on the base. So, yeah, wait, there's another base. I think they didn't email the base for us. I think they. Hold on. Oh, I guess they delivered the base. Hold on, I got it. Okay, finally, I got the base. But, yeah, so I got the base, and it was really cool. This is Caroline's base. First, you put the jeans on. And you put the head on. And you put the phone on. Oh, we forgot her lightsaber. Oh wait, there it is. And finally, you put the and here we go. These are our fake minifigures. There's me and Caroline. So thank you much for watching, and there's going to be more LEGO Dimensions. Let's build and play. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Bibbly bop 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 boo.